Feminism isn't about making women stronger. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives their strength. Feminism is knowing your rights and opportunities and fighting for them without any fear. A very warm and delightful evening to one and all watching this video. Today, Avanshika is here to express my views and opinions on the topic: is feminism a reality in rural India? Feminism in India is a set of movements aimed at defining, establishing, and defending equal political, economic, and social rights for women in India. But do these rights have been properly aware to the general public? Well, the reality of feminism in rural India is quite breathtaking. As per the 2011 census, the total literacy rate in India stands at 74%, and the rate of literacy among women is just 65.46%. Girls in rural India are not sent to schools and are deprived of getting basic education. Estimates suggest that at least 1.5 million girls under 18 get married in rural India, which makes it home to the largest number of child brides in the world. Women empowerment has been an important topic in urban areas where women are told about the basic amenities and the needs. The project also ensures their overall growth and is an effective tool in poverty reduction. But more than half percent of the women in rural India does not know about their basic rights. That is about sanitation, their growth, and what image they can build up in the society by amending these laws in their lives. Less than 20% of menstruating girls and women use pads in India. The reason is simple: women want to keep their period a secret. Well, all these problems can be abolished if more and more awareness can be created in rural areas. Women should be told about their basic amenities and they should fight for it. At last, I want to give rest to my words by saying that each time a woman stands up for herself without knowing it, possibly without claiming it, she stands up for all women. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.